Did you know that the Earth's axis wobbles? It does this in a few different ways. The first of which is how steep or shallow the angle our axis makes is with respect to the Earth's orbital plane. This angle is called the Earth's obliquity, and it varies between 22.1 to 24.5 degrees, and it cycles through those angles every 41,000 years. Right now we're at about 23.4 degrees, so roughly in the middle, and currently our angle is getting shallower, so in about 9,800 years we'll be at our minimum tilt again. The second way the Earth's axis wobbles is that it precesses, which is to say that the direction it points towards actually rotates as well, kind of like how a spinning top will wobble and face different directions as it's spinning. And this happens on a 26,000 year cycle. So in about 13,000 years, our axis will be pointing the complete opposite direction at the same time of year, and our summers and winters will have completely swapped months. And thirdly, even the Earth's orbit itself fluctuates in shape. Right now, our orbit is almost perfectly circular, but on a cycle of every 100,000 years, our orbit will become more elliptical and then return to being more circular again. And the mathematical quantity we use to describe how elliptical an orbit is called eccentricity. This cycle happens due to the gravitational pull from Jupiter and Saturn, and it has measurable effects even today. Right now, because the Earth's orbit isn't perfectly circular, summers in the northern hemisphere are roughly 4.5 days longer than their winters. And in around 50,000 years, when we're halfway through our next cycle, when Earth's at its maximum eccentricity, because there'll be times where the Earth is much closer and much further away in its orbit, when it's much closer, we'll be receiving around 23% more solar radiation compared to when we're far away. These three variations of obliquity, precession, and eccentricity are called Milankovitch cycles, and they have a huge effect on the Earth's climate because they massively affect how much radiation we receive and where that radiation is concentrated.